Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can get lucky draw coupon and how you can get another rewards from the Pistol Mastermind seasonal event in Call of Duty Mobile. So what you need to do first is tap the events banner. There are three options here. Tap the seasonal one. This one, Pistol Mastermind. So the top of reward is lucky draw coupon. You can redeem for discount to 1 CP for the first draw of lucky draw. And also you can read the details here. And also you can get this Jackal Violet Fire. This is a camo in Battle Royale mode if you're driving or riding this jet. And also there are some challenge here before you are going to get the top reward, like kill 5 enemies with any pistol, double kill medals, and many more. You can read the details here. So please challenge yourself in Battle Royale mode. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.